What you got, Matt?
Okay, well, I want to get the inflammation down on the tennis elbow. Okay, so I'll take my brace off, and we're going to do an ice pack. Now, we don't want to burn the skin, so we don't put it straight on. We can do that, but not for any length of time. Another way to do it is get a tea towel and wrap it up. Just makes it a bit more comfortable. Now, we've got a flexi pack here. We want to wrap that around the elbow and get in contact with the bone, the bony prominence, where basically where the pain is. So it's pretty easy. Okay.
How are you going to leave that on for?
10, 15 minutes, okay? Up to 20 minutes, we can take it off every let's say we do every, on the hour, we'll do 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off, okay? On the half an hour, 15 minutes back on. So you can do that as many times as you like, okay? So leave it on there. You can sit down there and watch TV, whatever you want to do. That's just getting a light cool, okay? And it's constricting the blood vessels, decreasing the swelling. The cold is numbing the pain as well, so it's a bit of natural pain relief, okay? And hopefully stimulating some healing in that area, okay? Now, we certainly, as we said, we can go to heat as well. So we can certainly do ice packs, or if we want to increase the blood supply in the area, I find that ice constricts the blood vessels, gets the blood out of the area. Now we want to get the blood back into the area and get the nutrients and get the body's healing. So we get a wheat bag. I've heated that up for a couple of minutes in the microwave. We just want to sit that again, wrap it around the area, the whole area as much as we can to get the warmth back into that area. Okay, so again, the heat numbs the pain receptors as well. So it's some pain relief, it's relaxing the muscles, okay, and constantly bring the heat back. So again, this wheat bag will stay hot for about 10-15 minutes. That's a good time frame. You can alternate, go back to the ice, go back to the heat, do one and the other. I don't think that's totally necessary. I think do the ice when it's super acute, when it's most painful, and you can barely lift your arm up or make a fist. And as it settles down, let's get the heat back in there several times a day. Do it every hour. Do it throughout the day. Take the wheat bag with you wherever you go. Warm it up at work or sitting at home. Constantly have that heat on there to stimulate the healing while you're resting at the same time. Okay?
Now,
That's hot and cold.
that's hot and cold. What else?